Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best cigar gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful and sophisticated presents you can give to the discerning gentleman in your life, offering a luxurious experience that transcends the ordinary and elevates any occasion into a memorable event, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate the finer things and enjoy a moment of refined indulgence. Number 5. Godinger Cigar Whiskey Glass. Looking for the perfect gift for the man who has everything? Consider this unique combination of a premium whiskey glass and a secure cigar rest. This innovative design allows you to comfortably hold your drink and cigar simultaneously. Its patented round shape ensures a secure grip for both. Crafted from lead-free crystal, this double old-fashioned glass offers a generous 12-ounce capacity. It's a testament to quality and fine craftsmanship. Since 1973, Godinger has been synonymous with handcrafted luxury. We specialize in exquisite silver, crystal, and metal giftware for every occasion. Elevate your whiskey and cigar experience with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect way to enjoy your favorite spirits and stogies. Designed for those who appreciate the finer things, this glass is ideal for any cigar and whiskey enthusiast. It makes every moment special. What we like. This is the perfect gift for the man who enjoys both a fine cigar and a smooth whiskey. Its patented design allows for comfortable holding of both your drink and cigar simultaneously. If you're looking for a unique and functional gift that combines two great pleasures, this is the one. What people say. Conveniently holds the cigar. Nice quality glass, thick, did not seem easily breakable or would chip easily. The built-in cigar rest is genius. No more awkward balancing acts. The glass feels solid, looks classy, and makes sipping whiskey while enjoying a cigar way more comfortable. Number 4. AMANCY Premium 3-Finger Leather Cigar Case. Introducing the AMANCY Premium 3-Finger Cigar Case. Crafted with a classic brown leather exterior, it exudes an air of sophistication and luxury. Inside, the cedar wood lining ensures your cigars remain fresh and perfectly protected. Its solid construction and thoughtful design also accommodate a cigar cutter. This case comfortably holds 3 cigars, keeping them safe and secure wherever your travels take you. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to carry. Looking for the perfect present? This makes an exceptional gift for husbands, boyfriends, groomsmen, bosses, fathers, or any cigar lover in your life. Experience the beautiful and meticulous craftsmanship that you'll be eager to show off. We are confident you'll love it, but if not, our team is ready to provide the best solution. What we like. For the cigar aficionado on the go, this premium leather case offers both style and protection. The cedar lining ensures your cigars stay fresh, and the integrated slot for a cutter makes it incredibly convenient for travel. If you need a sophisticated and practical way to transport your cigars, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's very durable and lined with cedar wood. It does a nice job protecting the cigars when transporting them. The case can be adjusted to fit different cigar lengths and has a nice little pocket on the side that holds the cutter. Well made and strong, and the clippers attached to it is a great touch. Everything a cigar smoker would need when out or even to leave in your car. Number 3. PONPUR Whiskey Stone Set. Searching for a unique gift for the man in your life? Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this is sure to bring a smile to his face. For the man who has everything, especially if he loves whiskey, this cool gadget is a must-have. It's designed for those who appreciate the finer things. More than just a gift, it's a stylish addition to any man cave. Its unique, retro design adds a touch of class to his favorite space. Chill his favorite spirits to perfection without dilution. These stones ensure every sip is as intended, preserving the full flavor. This set is a thoughtful investment that he'll appreciate for years to come. It's a gift that shows you truly care. We stand by our product and are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you're not happy, we'll make it right. What we like. Elevate your whiskey experience with these unique chilling stones. Made from durable stainless steel and designed to look like a classic barrel, they cool your drink without dilution. If you're searching for a cool gadget for the whiskey lover who has everything, or a stylish addition to a home bar, these are a fantastic option. What people say. My husband loves these for his whiskey and bourbon as they keep his drink cold without dilution. Very unique. Great quality and keeps drinks from getting watered down. Excellent, easy to use and works really well. Was really cool to see it in action and of course the flavorful treat afterwards. Number 2. TISFA Leather Cedar Wood Travel Cigar Humidor. Introducing the TISFA Cigar Humidor, your perfect companion for preserving your cigars on the go. Crafted from premium leather and cedar wood, it ensures optimal humidity for your cigars wherever you are. This 3-in-1 design conveniently includes a high-quality cigar lighter, a sharp V-cut cigar cutter, and a secure holder. Everything you need to enjoy your cigars is integrated into one sleek package. The sophisticated black exterior adds a touch of class to your accessories. It's not just a humidor, it's a statement piece designed for the discerning cigar aficionado. Designed for portability, this travel cigar humidor box allows you to take your favorite cigars with you on any trip. Its compact size fits easily into your luggage or bag. Equipped with a built-in humidifier, it actively maintains the ideal moisture level. This ensures your cigars remain in perfect condition, ready for your enjoyment anytime. Elevate your cigar experience with this all-inclusive travel humidor. It combines functionality, style, and convenience for cigar lovers. What we like. This portable humidor is designed for the discerning cigar smoker who values convenience and quality. It keeps your cigars perfectly humidified and includes essential accessories for enjoying them anywhere. If you need a compact, all-in-one solution for cigar storage and enjoyment while traveling, this is the ideal pick. What people say. The included lighter is top-notch quality and works perfectly. The quality is immediately apparent when you first handle it. The leather exterior feels substantial and has a rich, classic look. The interior cedar lining not only looks great but actually works. I stored a mix of medium-bodied Robustos for the 5-day trip, and they maintained perfect freshness despite the humid beach environment. The built-in digital hygrometer let me monitor the humidity levels at a glance. The design is thoughtfully laid out. The 2 removable cedar trays held my cigars securely in place. The included torch lighter cutter combo tool was an unexpected bonus that actually performed well. The triple jet flame lit easily even in the ocean breeze, and the V-cutter made clean cuts without tearing the wrappers. The craftsmanship is top-notch, the leather exterior looks and feels luxurious, and the cedar wood interior does a great job of preserving the flavor and freshness of cigars. The set includes a cigar lighter, V-cut cutter, and cigar holder, all cleverly built into the case. Everything fits securely and is easy to access, making it a true all-in-one solution. The portable design is compact yet protective, perfect for keeping cigars safe in your bag or suitcase. The humidifier works well, and the seal is tight enough to maintain humidity. Number 1. Smokpub Electric Cocktail Smoker Kit. Experience the future of cocktail smoking with our flame-free electric design. No butane is needed, just charge it up via USB for a convenient and efficient smoking experience. Looking for the ideal gift for the whiskey lover in your life? This elegant smoker kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to impress. Go beyond drinks. This versatile kit can infuse rich, aromatic smoke into your favorite whiskey, cocktails, coffee, and even food for a premium taste. Achieve a deep, smoky flavor in just 2 seconds. The included wood chips add a natural aroma, bringing sophistication and luxury to every sip. Designed for simplicity, it fits a wide range of glass sizes. Just place it on top, press a button, and let the aromatic smoke work its magic. Our built-in lighter and magnetic safety cover ensure a safe and convenient operation. It automatically extinguishes the flame when opened, giving you peace of mind. What we like. Experience the art of infused flavor with this innovative electric smoker. Its butane-free design and rechargeable battery make it incredibly easy and safe to use. If you want to add a sophisticated smoky aroma to your whiskey, cocktails, or even food with minimal effort, this is the ultimate gadget for home bar enthusiasts. What people say. The cigar cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The cigar humidor keeps cigars fresh for weeks. The cigar case is sturdy and protects cigars well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.